2010, an Australian teenager ate a live slug in a bet with his friends. The next day, he felt dizzy and nauseous and had a strange pain in his leg. Doctors discovered he was infected with a rare parasite. Normally, the body eliminates the parasite on its own. But the parasite entered the teen's brain through his bloodstream, causing him to fall into a coma for more than 400 days. When he finally woke up, he was severely brain damaged. He could only control his breathing and his limbs. For the next 8 years, he was completely paralyzed and died of respiratory failure in 2018. Also in 2009, a man in the United States claimed to have found a dead rat in his Coke, so he sued the Coke company. But the company argued that sodas are acidic and proteins dissolve in acidic environments. The dead rat's body would have dissolved into a jelly-like substance before the can was found to be defective. But this defense by Coke has consumers worried. If it can dissolve rats, what effect does it have on the human body?